Ever tried to open a file in Linux and got hit with this? Permission denied. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're unlocking the mystery behind Linux permissions. We'll break it down like you're 5, but smarter. Let's go. Linux permissions are like keys to a locked drawer. You've got 3 types of keys. Read lets you open the drawer and look inside. Write lets you scribble on the papers. Then execute lets you press the start button on a machine. These keys control what you do with files and folders. Simple, right? Now, who's got the keys? Every file has 3 levels of access. The owner, that's you, basically the person who creates it. The group, your team or department, if you're working with those people. And others, which is everyone else, like guests and that sort of stuff. It's like an office drawer. You own it, your team can peek, and strangers, no, they better not touch anything. That's why you set up the permissions. Going down into it, you've got your chmod and your chown. Like I like to refer to chmod and chown, but it's however best you remember it. Want to change who has access, in a sense. That's where chmod and chown come into place. Chmod, which is basically the 754 file, means you get full access, read, write, and execute. Now we move on to that 5 from the octave notation, and that's going to be your team gets to read and execute. And the 4 means others can only read. And we'll go over that in a second. It's like handing out different levels of access cards. And the chown, that's how you transfer ownership. It's like giving your drawer to someone else, in a sense. So, moving on from there, we're going to move on to your super user ID, your SGID, and your sticky bit. Now, let's move on to the special stuff. This is going to be your special powers. So your super user ID, SUID, lets you run a program as the file's owner. It's like borrowing the manager's badge to do a task. SGID lets you run it as a group. Think of it as working temporarily with another team. And then there's sticky bit. This one's super cool. In shared folders, it locks your files so only you or the admin can delete them. Imagine if you have a drawer that you're all sharing and a cabinet file, and you've got a special folder in there, but only you can execute, write, and read on it. Everyone just shares a space. Even if others have access to the folder, they can't mess with your stuff at all. It's perfect for places on Linux where you've got your /TMP, where everyone just drops temporary files. Now, when you're working for a real life scenario, let's say you're working in /TMP, you upload a file and someone else tries to delete it. Nope. Thanks to the sticky bit, only you can touch it, and that's where Linux is keeping your workplace safe and sound. Now that you've got the keys to your own Linux kingdom, permissions aren't just rules, they're your security system. If this helped you, drop a like in the comments, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Coming up next is going to be privilege escalation and how hackers level up. And I will see you there. Peace out.